touching on secrets about trade secrets. But before we get started, press like and do subscribe to our channel and share it with many people out there who are creating new things in their business daily. Alright, secrets about trade secrets. Have you ever thought about Coca-Cola and how come there are no competitors that have created identical drinks to them? There might be competitors that have come as close as possible to them, but nothing identical. And the reason to that is that the Coca-Cola company has kept the ingredients to their drink as a trade secret. The recipe in making the drink as a trade secret. Trade secrets are basically information that are confidential to the company and it's not released to the public. And even within the company, only a very few individuals know the secret. This could be ingredients, recipe, kind of like the Coca-Cola example. KFC as well has the batter for that chicken they fry kept as a trade secret. It could be marketing strategies, it could be R&D information, it could be methods used, know-how used. Various parts of running the business could be kept as a trade secret. Now, if you keep information as a trade secret, the advantage is that there is no time limit as to when you can exploit it and no time limit as how long you own these rights. It's pretty much yours for life. Look at the Coca-Cola company, they've owned it for years and still there's no duplication or replication of that invention. So many clients ask us, why do I need to patent my product or patent my process? Why can't I keep it as a trade secret? And that is a very good question. If the product that you've created can be reverse engineered, you put it out in the marketplace and a competitor picks it off the shelf or buys it and can recreate that product, that's the first clue as to why your product needs to be patented and not be kept as a trade secret. Only information that you yourself know that you can keep as a secret for years, no matter how many people multiply in your company, no matter if the staff force increases, you know that you can keep the information as a secret. That is when you keep that as a trade secret. Having said that, please always seek professional advice. Get advice from an intellectual property lawyer to ensure that you are taking the right steps in your company, whether to keep that as a trade secret or whether to get patent protection for that invention. There you go. You've learned something new, I hope, and do share this with business owners or friends of yours. And I'll see you at the next learning session.